First, crack open 2 eggs and pour them into a mixing bowl. Add a splash of milk and give it a good whisk. Let's heat up a pan with generous amount of butter. Once the butter is melted, pour in your omelette mixture. Add a pinch of salt and generous amount of black pepper. And then let it sit for a few seconds. This will help the eggs set a bit before you start folding. Now it's time to fold. Gently lift the edges of the omelette and fold it over. And there you have it. A scrumptious omelette made with just 2 eggs. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.